Welcome in Sharm El Sheikh, Ras Mohammed. Jackfish Alley dive site. After descending to 6 meters, you will immediately see the large entrance to the first cave, which penetrates the reef for about 40 meters, and from each you exit keeping to the left at the depths of 9 meters. And some recommendations. At the start of the dive, do not descend more than 5-6 meters, or you will miss the entrance to the first cave. Only small groups of expert divers are allowed to explore the caves. Carry torches you. Do not explore the caves for too long time. Accessing to the southwest with the reef on your right, you will come to the large coral outcrop behind which, at 14 meters, there is another cave that runs upwards and was a right exit hole at 6 meters. This is the home of a myriad of glassfish. Let's know a little bit more about this dive site. Jackfish Alley, which is originally known as a fisherman's bank or also Ras Scuba, is south of Ras Zatar. It offers divers 3 highlights: a wall, a coral garden, and a satellite reef. The coral garden range from 10 to 18, ending in the satellite reef. This reef, 50 meters away from the main reef, consists of small pinnacles covered with soft corals and Gorgonian fans. For more adventures, the drop-off on the edge of the satellite reef usually presents stronger current, bringing big creatures to feed. The wall mellows out into a huge plateau, which is split from the main reef by a sandy bottom alley. Here's the name of the dive site. You can go far out into the satellite reef or follow the bottom of the alley. A little farther south, there is a sandy bay that must be crossed in the southwest direction in order to see at depths of 11 meters another coral outcrop, swarming with life and populated by another colony of glassfish. Continue to the southwest, you will see a zone at the depths of 18-20 meters. You will be able at the sandy alley. This site is named after jackfish, triggerfish, turtles, blackfin barracuda have often been spotted in this area. If you will be in Egypt, Sharm El Sheikh, you have to dive in Ras Mohammed in Jackfish Alley. This dive site will give you a different topography, a wall, a coral garden and solitary reef and all the cave dive. You really will enjoy a lot of amazing marine life there.